Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by matching power and cables so nothing overheats or underpowers the dock. First, connect the Baseus power brick to the dock, then plug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable into your laptop's port. Once done, make sure the dock's LEDs light. This confirms power and link. If you're using Ethernet or external storage, leave those devices unplugged until the laptop recognizes the dock, since some systems need a clean device enumeration to mount correctly. Now attach monitors and peripherals to the dock, starting with displays so GPU resources allocate correctly. You'll plug HDMI or DisplayPort cables into the dock, then connect keyboard, mouse, and external SSD. After connecting, wake your laptop and open display settings. Choose the primary screen, set resolution to native, and adjust refresh rate. Make sure audio output switches if you want speakers through the dock. If a device doesn't appear, reseat its cable and toggle the dock's USB ports if available. Finish by confirming power delivery. Check that the laptop is charging and the dock reports expected wattage. Next, install manufacturer drivers or firmware to unlock advanced features like dual 4K support. Once installed, test file transfer speeds and Ethernet connectivity. If something fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Swap the USB-C/Thunderbolt cable with a known good, reboot both dock and laptop, and update your operating system. This simple cable and reboot routine resolves most detection and bandwidth issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.